Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Chennai? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Chennai. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series, or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They'll assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Aakash Institute. At Aakash Institutes, candidates are polished to identify their skill towards their career in medicine and engineering. For 31 years in their 200 plus centers spread across India, in Chennai, Aakash Institute has spread 5 dedicated centers for the training of students. The services provided by these institutes are classroom, digital learning aspects. The training module does have a special emphasis on personal attention provided to the students. Their latest features are enriched solved examples, extensive question banks, motivational sessions, and the final one is proven selection track record. The address of one center of the institute is 2nd, 3rd and 4th floor near 5391 Pace Agam Building, Velachari Tambaram Main Road opposite Indian Bank, Medavakkam. Their contact number is 8800013093. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Focus Education Institute. Focus Education is an effective learning institute for those who aspire to become an achiever. The training module and best faculties have advanced degrees in their relevant fields. Being in the education sector for 12 years, Focus Education has become the best center for training NEET, AIIMS and IIT JEE exams in Chennai. Its foundation courses are designed for students with various levels of thinking for studying the exam. In the course structure of Focus Education, there is a practical test for MOM units and model exams as well. Focus Education is ranked number 4th in the list of best NEET coachings in Chennai. The highlights of Focus Education includes live online classes, digital programs with test series, free recorded video classes, and the final one is free study material. The address of this institute is number 79 H Block, 2nd St. Anna Nagar East, Chennai 102. Their contact number is 044 2626 8866. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is VVT Coaching Center, a vibrant place to get trained for the medical courses to track the best exam coachings in Chennai. Its high-tech advanced technologies and teaching methods makes it stand out in the crowd. Moreover, the expert team is always there to support the students with in-depth solutions to cater to the needs accordingly. The institute is having 20 years of experience in training aspirants for the medical entrance examination. VVT coaching is having an interactive classroom with all possible facilities for preparation needs. It is ranked number 5th in the list of best NEET coaching institutes in Chennai. The highlights of VVT coaching includes practical learning, performance reviews, competitive learning, several mode of payments, and the final one is comfortable classrooms. The address of this institute is Nibav Buildings, 4th and 5th floor, number 23, old number 11 LB Road, Adyar, Chennai 600020, next to Adyar Ananda Bhavan. Their contact number is 72009 55557 and the batch size includes 40 to 45 students in a batch, and for online modes the batch size is same, that is 40 to 45 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Chennai. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.